Calling Giga Texas a factory is a colossal understatement. This vast structure sprawls across 2,500 acres beside the Colorado River, bending the horizon. From above, it looks like alien technology landed outside Austin. The scale is mind-boggling. A single building that could swallow dozens of car plants whole. Inside, thousands of robots work in perfect harmony, assembling the future 24/7. Elon Musk didn't just want a bigger factory, he wanted a template for the future. Giga Texas is a self-contained world, a testament to innovation on a massive scale. How do you build a car every 40 seconds? You build a machine that builds the car for you. On the factory floor, over 1,000 robots move in a synchronized dance. No wasted movement. Stamp out entire car underbodies, replacing dozens of parts and simplifying the process. Sophisticated AI orchestrates everything, optimizing flow and spotting issues before they happen. The factory itself is a living, evolving entity, Tesla's biggest competitive advantage. This is Musk's machine that builds the machine, and it's changing the game. Imagine a factory that senses problems and heals itself before anyone notices. That's Giga Texas, a plant wired with a nervous system of sensors, monitoring everything from welding tips to bolt torque. This data feeds a central AI brain that learns, adapts, and makes decisions on the fly. If a robot's motor vibrates oddly, the AI reroutes production, slows the robot, and schedules maintenance, all in milliseconds. It's a self-healing system, minimizing disruption and keeping production flowing. Human intervention is rare. Technicians supervise, handle complex fixes, and improve the system. The day-to-day dance of thousands of parts is managed by software, freeing humans to train and problem-solve. The ultimate goal, a lights-out factory, so autonomous it could run in total darkness. Giga Texas isn't there yet, but it's a giant leap in that direction. Every process that can be automated is. Every decision that can be handed to AI is. This relentless pursuit of autonomy isn't just about cost. It's about achieving quality and efficiency impossible with traditional methods. Giga Texas is a bold experiment in intelligent industry. Just when a self-healing factory sounds like science fiction, Tesla unveils its next act, Optimus. In a corner of Giga Texas, engineers are building humanoid robots, not for show, but to tackle unsafe, repetitive, or boring tasks. Musk's vision? Humanoid robots as common as cars, helping in factories, logistics, even elder care. Giga Texas is the crucible for this future. Tesla's expertise in AI, batteries, and actuators powers Optimus, with prototypes already walking, picking up objects, and performing simple tasks. The goal robots that can navigate a world built for humans, with hands to manipulate tools. First, Optimus will work inside Tesla's factories, handling material and assembly tasks. The factory becomes a school for robots, refining their hardware and AI. This isn't a gimmick, it's a serious attempt to solve the final frontier of automation. Unlike specialized robots, a humanoid could, in theory, do almost any human task with the right software. By developing Optimus at Giga Texas, Tesla creates a feedback loop. The factory's needs drive the robot's evolution, and the robot's abilities reshape the factory. It's a glimpse at the next revolution in manufacturing. Giga Texas isn't just a tech showcase, it's a production powerhouse. The Model Y is the factory's bread and butter, the world's best-selling EV, rolling out in a constant stream. Gigapresses stamp out its chassis with unmatched efficiency, fueling Tesla's global sales. But Giga Texas also builds the beasts, the all-electric Tesla Semi, promising to revolutionize trucking with lower costs and zero emissions. Watching a silent semi glide out of the factory is a glimpse of a cleaner future. And then there's the Cybertruck, part sci-fi, part armored vehicle, with a stainless steel exoskeleton that required inventing new manufacturing techniques. The factory's flexibility is proven by producing both mass-market vehicles and radical designs under one roof. Next up, Tesla's affordable Model 2, aiming to bring electric mobility to the masses. Lessons from the Model Y and Cybertruck, plus advanced automation, will make this new car possible. Giga Texas is always evolving, retooling for the next chapter. It's a place where the future of transportation is built, one innovation at a time. Every vehicle here is a step toward a new era. The story is just beginning. For a factory this massive, you'd expect a massive carbon footprint. But Giga Texas is designed to be as green as it is big. The roof will soon host a 30-megawatt solar array, one of the world's largest, generating clean energy on-site. Water is precious in Texas, so the factory uses advanced recycling and rainwater harvesting to minimize consumption. Battery cell production uses a closed-loop system, treating and reusing water to reduce local impact. Inside, clean tech is everywhere. Electric vehicles, robotic arms, and a paint shop that captures pollutants before they escape. The entire facility runs on electricity, increasingly from its own solar roof. For Tesla, sustainability isn't just PR, it's core to the mission. Giga Texas proves you can build the future at scale without costing the Earth. It's a model for responsible manufacturing. The transition to sustainable energy is about what we make and how we make it. Giga Texas is a factory for a cleaner century. To understand Giga Texas, look beyond the cars and robots. Look at Musk's vision. For him, the factory is the main innovation, not just a means to an end. He calls it the alien dreadnought, a facility so advanced it seems like foreign technology. Giga Texas is the first real prototype of this idea. The principal vertical integration. Tesla makes its own batteries, seats, and more, all under one roof. This slashes logistics, cuts costs, and gives Tesla control. Musk pushes for a multi-layered, three-dimensional layout, maximizing output per cubic meter. The goal, a factory that moves at the speed of a microprocessor, limited only by physics. Each new Gigafactory is an upgrade, applying lessons from Texas to Berlin, Shanghai, and beyond. Tesla isn't just getting better at building cars, it's getting better at building factories. It's innovation at a meta level, and most competitors aren't even close. Step back and you see Giga Texas is more than a car plant. It's a statement. It's a monument to speed, ambition, and belief in technology's power to solve big problems. Here, manufacturing is reimagined. Clean, quiet, intelligent, and fast. Tesla approaches car making as a tech company, questioning every assumption. The result, production efficiency that leaves competitors scrambling. Giga Texas is a symbol of a future powered by sustainable energy and intelligent automation. Whether it's electric trucks, affordable EVs, or humanoid robots, it all starts here. This factory is a crucible for bold ideas that can change the world. Tesla isn't just a car company, it's robotics, AI, batteries, and energy, all under one roof. Giga Texas is building tomorrow, one vehicle at a time, every 40 seconds.